Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Suzy's sheep saying goodbye. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. I'm going to start with Peppa's nose. I drew the shape of her head. And her two ears, one here and one there. Then I drew her eyes. And I had some tears. She is crying. Now I drew the circle for her cheek and her very sad mouth. Then I drew her body. Her curly tail. I drew her arms this way. She will hold Suzy's hand. This is a very sad moment. The girls don't know it yet, but it turns out that Suzy and her family will not know. They can remain friends forever! Finally, I drew her legs. Now, let's draw Suzy's sheep. I start with the crown on top of her head. The shape of her face. Her nose. I drew her eyes. She is crying too. Now I drew the circle for her cheek and her sad mouth. They are so cute. Then I drew her body. She is holding Peppa's hand, like this. In the other end, she's holding a letter. She just got this from Peppa because Suzy and her family are about to move to another place. She is Peppa's best friend, so saying goodbye is not easy. And finally, I drew her legs. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I'm going to use this pink marker for Peppa's skin. Next, I use bright pink for her cheek, light blue for the tears, then I use red for her dress. Now let's color Suzy's sheep. I use bright pink for her cheek and her nose. Light blue for the tears. Yellow and purple for the crown. Now I use light purple for her dress. Then we color the letter and we use pink, red, light purple, orange, yellow, green, and light blue. Now we use green for the bottom. And finally, I'm going to use some light blue for the background. Very good job! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!